Good morning, grade fours. Today we're going to do of sums. I'm going to show you how to do these kinds of sums, as we use these quite a lot when we do word problems with fractions. So I'm going to read the word sum on the board, and then we're going to work out how to do it. Tara has 20 sweets. She gives 2/5 of her sweets to Liam. How many sweets did Liam get? So what we are trying to work out is, of the 20 sweets that Tara had, how many does Liam actually get in his hand so that he can have? Because we know that it's 2/5, but we have to see how many sweets are 2/5. So we're going to go to our sum, and we first look at our fraction, which is 2/5. So we write down our fraction. So she gave him 2/5 of 20 sweets. Right, so there we've got the fraction that she gave him of the entire total number of sweets. So we want to work out how many sweets are 2/5 of 20. Now I'm going to teach you a short way of doing this, a quick method of how to do of sums. So this is what we do. We write down our sum, 2/5 of 20. Now we start with a whole number. So we say 20, we go to the second line and we say 20 divided by the bottom number of the fraction, which is the denominator. So it's 20 divided by 5 times the top number of the fraction, which is the numerator. And we write down 2. So now we have our sum. 20 is the whole number divided by the bottom, 5 times by the top, which is 2. And now we must work this out. Okay, now, because we've got a divide and a times here, we have to do it in the order of what our sum tells us. So our sum is saying to us, we have to say 20 divided by the bottom, and then first get that answer, and then that answer times 2. So we have to do the first part of the sum first. We've got to work out 20 divided by 5 first. So you may put a bracket around that to show that that is what you're going to work out first. And then you're going to do the rest of your sum. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. Now we bring down our times 2, the rest of our sum. And 4 times 2 equals 8. And 8 what? What are we talking about? We're talking about sweets. So we're going to write 8 sweets. Okay, so there we worked out. Tara gave 2/5 of her 20 sweets to Liam. So now we've worked out 2/5 of 20. How many sweets would that be? And that worked out to 8 sweets. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to rub this sum off, and I'm going to do 1 or 2 more examples on the board, just of the of sums, with no word sums, just of sums, to show you the method. Right, so now we're going to give you some examples of sums, and I'm going to do 1 or 2 with you. Let's have 3/5 of 25. Okay, let's do 3/5 of 25. Now we must think of our method. So it's the whole number we put down first, 25, divided by the bottom, divided by the denominator. So it's 25 divided by 5 times by 3 times 3. That equals, we have to work out this part of the sum first. So we first say 25 divided by 5, get that answer, and then times it by the numerator. 25 divided by 5, we may put a bracket around, is 5. And then that answer times the numerator, which is 3. 5 times 3. And that is equal to 15. Okay, so we're going to go through that again, the method of sums. 3/5 of 25. So we take the whole number, put it here, 25 divided by the bottom, divided by 5, times the top, times 3. We have to do that part first and get the answer. 25 divided by 5 is 5, and now we times it by 3, which is 15. Okay, grade 4s, I hope you understood that, and I'm going to give you, the teachers are going to give you a sheet with a few of these sums on for you to do yourselves at home, and just remember to watch the video again if you're not sure of how to do it. Good luck and goodbye, and have a good day.